Hey, this is Jeff Allen with ATI Restoration in Houston. We're out here in beautiful College Station, Texas, home of the Texas A&M Aggies. We got a call from this customer 2 days ago in the morning saying we had 2 units flooded, about 1 inch of water. We responded within the hour, extracted water, got it all done. Our crew did it as minimally invasive as they possibly could, removed a couple baseboards, drilled some holes, popped off some toe kicks, set our drying equipment. We came back today, less than 48 hours later. Everything's almost dry, so I was walking around taking a DocuSketch. DocuSketch makes it really fast, really easy. A couple scans in each room, send it off to DocuSketch, and they send me back a sketch with measurements. We use the 360-degree photos to do our repair measurements, our repair estimates. I can get estimates written and sent back to the client. I'll have that done for them tonight. We'll get this place built back to the way it's supposed to be.